Hi students, this is Suchayadatta and here I am about to pick up the chapter Confronting Marginalisation of Civics Class 8th. And you have to first of all understand Invoking Fundamental Rights. Well, marginalized group are those groups of the society who have been tortured, ill-treated, have been left behind or have become backward economically, socially, politically, and they have been categorized as marginalized groups. So we are dealing this chapter as to how to confront marginalization. When we talk of the fundamental rights, we all know that the Constitution of India has guaranteed fundamental rights to the people of India. But the marginalized group of India has tried to grab these fundamental rights by insisting the government to give them the basic fundamental rights which they had been denied since centuries, whether due to political or social factors. Then they have also insisted the government on enforcing these laws in a just manner. So these are the two ways by which the marginalized groups have tried to take up their fundamental rights. Besides, there are so many articles in the Constitution which have helped the marginalized group to come up at par with other groups in the society. Article 17 of the Constitution clearly states that untouchability has been abolished in our country and no person can be told not to enter any public place, whether a temple or a park or a hospital. Everybody has free access to all the public facilities. And whenever you see that untouchability is practiced, then surely the punishment is about to come. Because untouchability is a punishable crime in India. Then comes in Article 15 of the Constitution, which again tries to see that all groups of India get the best. That is, everybody has the fundamental rights. This Article 15 clearly says that no person can be discriminated on the basis of religion, caste, language, place of birth, and so on. Which means all of us are equal, whether in opportunities, political, social, economic, religious. Here we have clearly seen that the marginalized group of India is trying to invoke the fundamental rights they've been asking, demanding, and whenever there is an encroachment, they pick up Article 17 or Article 15 of the Constitution and go ahead asking for their rights.